Alright guys, good morning. So ready na tayo mga kaibigan para sa takbo natin ngayon. First 10K run na event na sasalihan sa MOA. So kita-kits tayo doon guys. Let's go. Ito gagamitin ko guys, Lane 4. Alright mga idol. Dito na tayo mga idol. Boss, nandito na tayo. Alright, daming kasali guys. Yeah. Alright mga idol. Ano, daming tao guys. Okay, so good luck sa atin sa first 10K run natin mga kaibigan. Alright guys, bali nandito na tayo sa event. Napakadaming tao, putik na yan. Kaso kala wala akong kasama. Tapos medyo maulan pala mga kaibigan. Ayan o, medyo maulan, grabe guys. May tao dyan boy. Sobrang daming tao. So good luck sa takbo natin mamaya mga kaibigan. Sana talaga hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung ulan. So stretching muna tayo guys. Good luck, this is my first 10K run.
Once again, calling the attention of all our runners for our upcoming are visible.
So may kasama na tayo guys. Rexy! Ayan o. Cute naman ni Rexy. Samantala yung aso ko, tamad. Alright guys, ayan na, magsisimula. Let's go. Doon tayo.
Everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want,
7K.
and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Hindi na lang.
all I need are some better days. Cause all I want,
8K.
and I
Okay, so after run ko lang pupunta tayo dito guys. Yes. Best experience guys. Solid. Alright guys, ayan nakakuha na tayo ng JNT sling bag. Let's go. Alright. naka-medal syempre, mga kaibigan, mga tropa. The best experience. Ang ganda ng medal mo, hindi pa paikot. Ganda. Naikot. Kahit napakaulan, grabe tuloy pa rin talaga. Nakuha natin 10K finisher. Let's go, congratulations sa atin. Grabe, thank you Lord. To God be the glory. Ikrani community, thank you so much. At sa lahat ng mga nagturo sa atin dyan, thank you so much. Rian, tsaka Kuya John Cena. Congratulations. Yung kape natin guys. Naging Carla. Imbes na Carlo. Thank you. Ayan o, ating medal. Tapos may kape tayo at donut. As usual. Good morning everyone. Tapos tayo mga parang. Habang nakasasing.
GG! Race with pets. Again, may own.
So, kita-kits sa mga susunod pang event. So, uwi na tayo mga kaibigan. Congratulations ulit sa atin. So, always keep moving forward. Thank you so much. God bless to all of you. And